is a new segment I will be doing here at Strange Times, as all this boom and trumpet screeching has a meaning, and I am going to eventually figure it out, no matter how long it takes, as this has bothered me since the times of the Taos hum. Later, after I go through 30 more sound files, I will analyze them all and do a final analysis of them all and upload the results here on YouTube. This trumpet sound has a peak resonant frequency of 790 Hz. This sky boom sound has a start peak resonant frequency of 29 Hz and a decaying peak resonant frequency of 69 Hz. This sky boom sound has a start peak resonant frequency of 74 to 79 Hz and a decaying peak resonant frequency of 100 to 110 Hz. Do not let boom be your doom.
The same sound we heard in October. Hey, it's loud this time. Look at the moon. Must be telling us something. Do you hear that? I don't know, we heard this back in October.